No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown until the typed card appears. I will start with a well-known movie, Inception, to get year, rating, genre, actor, and director constraints. I am accepting cookies first, then selecting from the search dropdown and clicking the guess button because enter alone does not submit. Type card is read for guess title Inception. The guess medium was movie, so target medium equals TV. Year appears farther than 2010, but the arrow is obscured by the open dropdown, and rating appears farther than 8.8 with arrow obscured. Genre overlap, action is green, while adventure and sci-fi are gray. Actor overlaps, none visible for Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, or Elliot Page. Director overlap, Christopher Nolan is not highlighted. Constraints, target is a TV series, includes action, likely excludes adventure and sci-fi from this guess, does not include the listed Inception actors or Nolan, and is not Inception. Type card is read for Inception, a movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year 2010 has an up arrow, so the target is newer, and rating 8.8 has a down arrow, so the target is lower rated. Action overlaps while adventure and sci-fi do not, with no actor or director overlap. I will guess Reacher because it is a newer action TV series with a lower IMDb rating and different cast/director, giving useful constraints. Type card is read for guess title Jack Reacher. The guess medium was movie, so target medium equals TV. Year for 2012 is further off with the target newer, while rating around 7.0 appears within 0.5, but the exact arrow is obscured by the dropdown. Genre overlap, action is green, thriller is gray. Actor overlaps, Tom Cruise, Rosamund Pike, and Richard Jenkins are not highlighted. Director overlap, Christopher McQuarrie is not highlighted. Constraints, target is a TV series, newer than 2012, action genre is included, thriller is not included, rating is close to 7.0, and it is not Inception or Jack Reacher. Type card is read for Jack Reacher, a movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is farther and target is newer than 2012, while rating is within 0.5 and target is higher than 7.0. Action overlaps, thriller does not, and no listed actors or director overlap. I will guess Luke Cage because it is a newer action TV series with rating around 7.2 and no adventure, sci-fi, or thriller tag. Type card is read for Jack Reacher, a movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is farther with target newer than 2012, and rating is within 0.5 with target higher than 7.0. Action overlaps, thriller does not, and no visible actors or director overlap. The field currently shows the wrong title, so I will clear it after focusing in Guess the Continental, a newer action TV series around the needed rating range without repeating a prior title. Type card is read for guess title The Birdcage. The guess medium was movie, so target media equals TV. Year 1996 is farther off with the target newer, and rating around 7.2 is within 0.5, with the arrow not clearly visible because the dropdown overlays the card area. Genre overlap, none, comedy is gray. Actor overlaps, Robin Williams, Nathan Lane, and Gene Hackman are not highlighted. Director overlap, Mike Nichols is not highlighted. Constraints, target is a TV series, newer than 1996, rating close to 7.2, has no comedy overlap from this guess, and does not include the listed Birdcage actors or director. Type card is read for The Birdcage, a movie, so target median equals TV series. Year is farther with target newer than 1996, and rating 7.2 shows a down arrow, so target is lower rated but close. Prior feedback also points to a newer action TV series and excludes comedy, thriller, adventure, and sci-fi overlaps. I will guess Treadstone because it is a newer action TV series around a 6.9 rating with likely drama overlap to test. Type card is read for The Birdcage, a movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is farther with target newer than 1996, and rating 7.2 as a down arrow while still yellow, so target rating is slightly lower. Prior rows also indicate action overlaps and comedy, thriller, adventure, and sci-fi do not. I will guess Warrior Nun because it is a newer action TV series around 7.0 and likely avoids those excluded genres. Type card is read for The Birdcage, a movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is farther with target newer than 1996, and rating 7.2 is yellow with a down arrow, so target is slightly lower rated. Comedy has no overlap, while prior rows indicate action overlaps and adventure, sci-fi, and thriller do not. The field currently contains Layla Isle Meknon, which conflicts with the no comedy clue, so I will clear it and submit Shadowhunters as a newer action TV series near the lower rating range. Type card is green for guest title Layla Al-Magnan. The guest medium was TV series, so target median equals TV. Year 2011 is farther off with the target newer, and rating around 9.1 is farther off with the target lower. Genre overlap, drama is green, while adventure and comedy are gray. Actor overlaps, Ali Atay, Serkan Keskin, and Osman Saint are not highlighted. Directors, none shown. Constraints, Target is a TV series, newer than 2011, much lower rated than Layla Al-Magnan, includes drama, excludes adventure and comedy from this guess, and is not Layla Al-Magnan. Type card is green for Layla Al-Magnan, a TV series, so target median equals TV series. Year 2011 is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer, and rating 9.1 is red with a down arrow, so the target is lower rated. Drama overlaps while adventure and comedy do not, and earlier feedback show action overlaps. I will guess FBI because it is a newer action drama TV series around the 7 rating range and avoids the excluded adventure, sci-fi, thriller, and comedy clues. Nice, we got it. The answer was FBI, solved in 5 guesses. The biggest clues were locking onto a TV series, then narrowing it to a newer 2018 show with a 7.1 rating and the action, crime, and drama genre combo.